targeted cyber attack on an alert system Buncombe County residents are signed up for has experts urging citizens to change their passwords.
News 13's Kimberly King is live with more on what a cyber expert has to say about that. Kim.
Tammy, the attack isn't on Buncombe County's software itself, but rather the company that Buncombe County contracts with. Now, the alerts typically come across on the phone, but Buncombe County tonight says they have a backup plan in place.
It's not a big surprise for me.
The expert we spoke with knows the method for cyber attacks.
You can see how these threat actors are navigating. It's a business. Probably what happened is that a threat actor, a cyber criminal, breached that system. I think they call it cold red or insolve system. So they took hold of it.
Credible reports reveal ransomware attack disrupting local alert systems across the U.S.
They probably had a username and password that they got access to. Typically what happens is then they'll take it for ransom.
We are still working with Code Red to try and get some sort of platform up where we can send notifications to community members.
More than 3,000 Buncombe residents are signed up. The system gives alerts for things like road closures and more.
Just recently, the fires that were on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We certainly used them extensively during Hurricane Helene.
If there was a need for an evacuation,
what we would do is we would contact the State Emergency Management or FEMA, and they would send that evacuation notice.
The county's 911 system is operating. Experts say for any program where you log in, use of a multi-factor authentication system is another way to reduce your risk of identity theft. With regard to this breach, experts recommend this.
Go in and change your password.
We've also learned tonight that Black Mountain also has the same company for their notification system, so people there signed up are also urged to change their password. Reporting from Asheville, Kimberly King, News 13.